Hello, welcome everybody. My name is Abid. Today we will discuss on the topic of visualizing the nation. So, firstly, you should be understand what is the exact meaning of the visualizing the nation. So, visualizing simply means form of an image, form of an image, form of an image of something. So guys, here you have observed that in the mind, simply form of an image of something in the mind. Or guys, you also observe that you know also that what is visual. Visual simply means relating to seeing or sight a pictures piece of film or display used to illustrate or accompany something. So guys, our topic is our topic is visualizing the nation. So guys, there are some points through which I do a proper resource and proper reference of the visualizing the nation. So guys, artists in the 18th and the 19th century found a way out by personifying the nation. So there were the artists, or you can say the artists who have played a good significant role to personifying a nation during the period of 18th and 19th century. So guys, in other words, they represent a country as if they were a person. So they don't given their introduction that we are special, but they given the message for whole the nation of Europe, just like as a common people. They feel that if we are also a person, nation were the portrayed as female figure. The nation did not stand for a particular woman in real life. Rather, it sought to give the abstract idea of the nation a concrete form. So, guys, we are discussing about the topic of visualizing the nation. Firstly, you should be understand that what does the exact meaning of the visualizing. Form an image of something in the mind, or you can say visual relating to seeing a sight, a picture, a piece of film or displaying used to illustrate or accompany something. So guys, here we observed that when we will take the reference of your textbook NCRT, the chapter number 5th, in which you will find visualizing the nation, and there is the picture of the female, and through the figure of the female, the nation did not stand for any particular woman in real life. Rather, it sought to give the abstract idea of the nation to concrete form. So guys, you have found that during the discussion of the French Revolution, where we found that the women had not their privileges rights, their birthright, their vote right, or you can say suffrage right. So due to this cause, there we found that it is the abstract idea of the nation to concrete form. That is, the female figure became an allegory of the nation. After this, so many countries use the same symbol, like the Marigny in the France and Germany and Germania in Germany. Both were the female. The previous last video we have discussed that illustratively about the Marigny and the Germania. So here we guys, when we will discuss about the topic of you can say visualizing the nation, there you will find also one female picture, and the artist prepared this painting for Germania on the cotton banner. It has been on the cotton banner as it was meant to hang from the ceiling of the church of St. Paul, where the Frankfurt Parliament was convened in March 1848. So guys, here we found that this picture has been stick on the wall of the church, or you can say on the wall of the Frankfurt Parliament during the period of in March 1848. So guys, here we are discussing about the topic of visualizing the nation. So simply I have discussed illustratively with you that you pick any pictures in your mind and understand that what is the message of the picture. So guys, or you can also give this answer this answer that or a symbol is visual image that represents something other than itself. So if you will find these pictures which you will find in your visualizing the nation chapter number 5th. So the pictures gives us their own self message. It may be representation using an object, pictures, written words, sound, or a particular mark. So you will find that there will be some words through which the pictures or the artist want to message us that how you are birth, what kind of the privileges of the birthright and the women right, and also overall the classes of the society had their own rights. During the 18th and the 19th century, several symbols are used by artists and revolutionaries to depict abstract concepts. These symbols were usually popular images from everyday life that uneducated masses could easily identify with. So there were, during the period of the 19th and 18th century, we found that there were so many revolutionaries or artists. They have depicted so many. They have shown us the figure of the different types of the symbol, or you can say different types of the pictures through which through these images or the pictures they want to show us that how you will be given a one nation theory, and or you can say give a one nation and why one identity throughout the whole of the Europe nation. So guys, here we also found that during revolutions artist represents a nation as a person. So the artist explain that the nation is just like as belong to a, and they represents that the whole of the nation is belong to a one person. This personification give life to an abstract concept like a nation. So this personification, the artist or the educated, or you can say especially the artist, they have given the message through the pictures, through the symbols, whole of the nation, and how you can personification the personification the whole of the nation. The way of expressing an abstract ideas like freedom or liberty through a symbol that be person or think is known as allergy. So guys, during the lecture of the, you can say during the lecture of the French Revolution, where we found the artists, the French artists who have shown us a figure of the one lady man, and who have kept four types of the symbol, and given us message through the all the four symbols that why you have exist, and how you should establish your nation, and how you will become one nation and one identity throughout the whole scenario of the Europe continent. So an allegory has a literal and the symbol meaning in the 19th century, and a symbol in the 19th century French artist used the female allegory to represent France. She was named as Marini. She symbolized reasons, liberty, and the ideas of the republic. Why these figures are essential? Why the figure of the people they have shown you can say they have shown by the France. It is only because of the, that's why, because like such people, they have played a good and significant role for the ideals of the republic, and you can say they have given the idea of the liberty, equality, and fraternity. So guys, for continue this topic in for continue discussion in German, the allegory for the nation was again a female figure called Germania. So we have found in France, the figure of the female, and also we found in German the figure of the also Germania and Marenia. A broken chain represents the abolition of slavery. So you found in this figure, there is the figure in which you found the chain, and they have represents abolition of the slavery system of the government, or they have freedom of the serfdom. A fasces or a bundle of rods with an axe in The middle was used to symbolize the strength in unity. The red faran can cited freedom of the slave, and it was also known as the Liberty Cape. And Liberty Cape, French people wore these capes a few days before the storming of the Bastille. So, guys, when you will take reference, inshallah I will also discuss through the reference of your NCRT, the chapter number 5th, visualizing the nation, and there I will show you each and every point which I have discussed in these slides. So guys, I hope that the discussion about the visualizing the nation of the German and the, or you can say Italy and France at that time, and through the figure there were we found so many symbols, and all the symbols they have messages through the language, or you can say through the message of the artist, that how you can become a one nation and how you can identify a one nation. In the end, I heartily request to please subscribe this channel and share this video. That's why, because in future I will make you like such videos and lectures for you, through which you will get exposure and way to success. Thank you very much.